Sweet and sour Thai chicken. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, it's spicy. I smoked it with a little bit of applewood. Sweet and sour Thai chicken. I'm going to smoke it today. I'm going to do it on the grill, but you can do it in the oven if you like. I've got a pan preheating here, and into the pan I'm going to add a 1-inch knob of ginger, some green onion, a stalk, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and some hot peppers. You can use Thai peppers, you can use habaneros, any kind of peppers that you want. I like mine really spicy. A half cup of rice vinegar. A teaspoon of fish sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a half cup of powdered erythritol. I've got a 1/4 cup of water with some glucomannan dissolved in, 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can see how thick it is. Look at that. It's a good substitute for cornstarch. I'm going to add in some chili flakes. Whatever you can handle. And I don't normally use this, but I'm going to put some red food coloring in. We're going to reduce this by half. Okay, this is reducing nicely. I've got 2 legs, 2 whole legs, 2 thighs, and 2 wings. And I'm just going to put some slashes in the chicken and put it into a casserole dish. There we go. I've got slashes, probably about 1/2 inch deep. Should be good. And we'll just finish this sauce off. Okay, I'm preheated to 350 degrees. I've cut some slits into my chicken. My sauce is reduced by half. And now I'm just going to pour it on the top of each piece of chicken, kind of baste it. You can see the color there. Okay, that looks good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it indirect for about 40 minutes, and I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to keep on putting the marinade back on top of it and you want to get it into all the little slits too. So on we go, uncovered. Well, this sweet and sour Thai chicken turned out fantastic. Wait till you see this. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? I'm going to put a little bit of salt on the top. I tasted the sauce and it's kind of spicy, which I really like, and a little bit of pepper here. Just a little bit. This went for about 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and it's nice and fall apart too. So I'm going to plate this up. Well, doesn't that look delicious? Wow, look at the color in that too. It's really fall apart. Nice spicy, sweet and sour sauce. You got to try it. Thanks for watching.